Our chief guest for this momentous occasion is Air Commodore R.R. Gandhi. He is escorted by Master Siddharth GV, an active basketballer who seemingly performs well in dances and is a friendly, approachable and jolly person to hang out with. Siddharth also exhibits good oratorial skills. Along with him, we have Master Hiren Shah, a member of school cricket team, a really good field boxer, extremely hardworking and overall, a man of few words. The chief guest, Air Commodore R.R. Gandhi, joined the Indian Air Force as a logistics officer on 6 December 1986. He is alumnus of Sainik School, Balachari, Jamnagar and National Defence Academy, Kharaswasla. He is highly experienced and a very respected logistics officer in Indian Air Force. He has rich and varied experience in field and staff appointments all over the country. His operational experiences includes working in frontline fighter bases in western, eastern and southwestern sectors, besides being expert in equipment depot and aircraft-based report depot functions. While being at the Air Headquarters, New Delhi, he has held appointments of direct stores and direct procurement with distinctions. As a logistics officer, he has a rare distinction of undergoing 1 year-long Higher Air Command course at College of Air Warfare. He was instrumental in formation of Material Management Institute in Indian Air Force and was its first commanding officer. Presently, he is Air Officer Commanding of Indian Air Force prestigious 26 Equipment Depot at Bangalore. For his distinguished services, he has been commended twice during his service career, once each by AOC&C, Maintenance Command, Vice Chief of Air Staff, Chief of Air Staff.
May I now request our distinguished chief guest to unfurl the national flag. Ladies and gentlemen, may I also draw your attention to the school equestrian team towards my right, who are also participating in the national salute on the magnificent horse. The parade commander, Master Sneh Savani, will now request the chief guest to inspect the parade.
A parade is a formation of soldiers organized and often accompanied by marching bands, known as drilling, that is usually done by precision and perfection. The longest parade in the world is Hanover Schusenfest, that takes place in Hanover every year during the Schusenfest. The parade is 12 kilometers long with more than 12,000 participants from all over the world.